Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable stolen device protection on your iPhone. This is a crucial security feature that protects your data if your device is lost or stolen. First, open the Settings app. Make sure you're running latest iOS because this feature isn't available on older versions. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. You'll need to enter your passcode to proceed. Now, scroll down until you find Stolen Device Protection. Tap on it and toggle the switch to On. Once enabled, your iPhone adds biometric authentication and security delays for sensitive actions like changing your Apple ID password, turning off Find My, accessing saved passwords, or removing Face ID. This protection automatically activates when you're outside familiar locations like home or work. Pro tip: for maximum iPhone security, always keep Find My enabled and use a strong passcode alongside biometric authentication. That's it. Your stolen device protection is now active. If you found this helpful, subscribe to ClickFix for more iPhone tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.